Welcome back. This is Stacey Stangel with Central State University Extension, and I'm an FCS educator in Northeast Ohio. The recipe we're going to do at the moment is the chicken and fruit salad. This is also found in your CSUE recipe book that you'll get from class. And the recipe comes together very quickly, and obviously in the name itself, there's no cooking involved because chicken that you use can easily come from a rotisserie chicken that you purchase at the store already prepared. So in the recipe, we're going to put together 3 cups of chicken, and then we have here a mixture of grapes, fresh mandarin oranges, and you can use canned mandarin if you don't have them, blueberries and red onion, thinly sliced celery, and if you wanted to, you could add even more color if you used grated carrots. And you're just going to toss this together very quickly so that it's well mixed in. A serving size of this would be 2/3 of a cup. So if you're not really good at eyeballing your portion sizes, use a measuring cup, and that'll be helpful to be able to control those portion sizes. So we have our meat and fruits and vegetables. So the next up, we're going to put in some low-fat yogurt. This is plain yogurt in sour cream, mayonnaise, or it can be used interchangeably. If you're using yogurt, though, keep in mind that you are getting calcium, vitamin D in the mix. If you were using sour cream or mayonnaise, those are not vitamins and minerals that you're going to be able to get from that. So you're just going to lightly mix this together. If you like it to be creamier, you can add more yogurt to it. But all you're simply doing is making sure it's thoroughly mixed so that the yogurt is coating all of the vegetables, fruits, and chicken. And then you're going to take your pepper and just sprinkle it on it. Really, this is going to be to taste. So if you like a lot of pepper, use more pepper. If you're not a pepper fan, then less. Mix it up, and this can be refrigerated for up to 7 days, or you can refrigerate it for just a half an hour before you serve it. An easy way to serve it would be on lettuce boats. So all you would need to do is portion out, and like I said, if you're not sure about portions, use a measuring cup. And you would have 2 scoops of 1/3. Or not quite full 1 cup. You also, if you're not interested in using lettuce, you can also use pita bread, whole grain pita bread, whole grain regular bread. You could even serve it on a croissant. That really is completely up to you. Notice I did not use any salt or sodium in this. Because especially if you're using rotisserie chicken, it's going to come pre-salted with some sodium in it, so you don't need to add additional. And then the last thing is topping it with some chopped nuts. In this case, I have walnuts, but you could use pecans, cashews, whatever. If you like peanuts, you could chop up some peanuts and top that so it gives it a little bit of different flavor and crunch to it. So there's a lot of different textures going on while you're enjoying this chicken and fruit salad. So you're going to get some salty, some sweet, some crunchy, and so it's going to make it a much more enjoyable meal. Again, this was Stacey Stangel with Central State University Extension. Thank you.